I believe that the single most important impact of the transportation referendum will be in the area of jobs. The Atlanta Regional Commission estimates that the projects associated with the referendum will create over 200,000 new jobs for Metro Atlanta. What we know from talking with companies that are looking at places to relocate is that traffic plays an important role. And when we see cities like Charlotte, Dallas, Phoenix, Denver, cities that we compete with for recruiting and retaining jobs, they're making transportation investments that Metro Atlanta is not currently making, and it is severely impacting our competitiveness. The average commute in Metro Atlanta is 60.2 minutes round trip, and that's time spent away not only from your job, but time more importantly spent away from family and friends and doing the things that make life in this city a great place to work, live, and play. And when you're tied up in the car, wasting time, wasting fuel, that severely impacts your quality of life. The transportation referendum is important because of the jobs picture, but it's very important to realtors because transportation is how folks get from their homes to their jobs. So we have to make that investment in our infrastructure in order to keep this region competitive, to keep retaining and recruiting new jobs to this area so that our market will grow and continue to be healthy. For me, I want to be here 30 years from now looking back with pride on the decision that we made on July 31st, 2012. I don't want to be here 25 or 30 or 40 years from now looking back regretting the terrible decision we made by rejecting this referendum and relegating Metro Atlanta to second-tier status.